Hi students, in the previous video we have discussed about regular expression and what are the various symbols we learnt was union, concatenation and then Kleene star as well as Kleene plus, and don't give much importance for Kleene plus. Three are very important: union, concatenation and star. Now we are going to discuss about how this regular expression is related with the finite automata. We do have various finite automata, that is DFA, NFA, epsilon NFA. And there was a beautiful relation between DFA and NFA and how to convert we already discussed. Similarly, we also learnt epsilon NFA to DFA conversion we already discussed. And if you have a DFA, how to write its regular expression, we know that. Regular expression if I give, how to bring to epsilon NFA, we are going to discuss. Okay, this is beautiful relation, DFA with regular expression as well as regular expression with the epsilon NFA. We are going to discuss all these topics. A simple introduction now. Let us assume two different expressions x and y. And each expression is having a language. We used to represent as L of x, that is expression x and its language, expression y and its language, which means two different languages, its own expressions. And definitely it should satisfy the machine equations q sigma delta q naught f, which you know already. Then these regular expressions and its language must satisfy union, concatenation, star. Now what I am going to discuss today, that is in this video, it is not just that expression should satisfy union, concatenation, star. Even the language also should satisfy. That is, if you have two regular expressions x plus y, x and y, and if it satisfies union, then what about its language? Even language also satisfy. What is that? A plus indicates either x or y. Now, language of x or language of y. That is what I am discussing. Language of x or language of y. Any one is enough, and starting must be same, so empty string. Ending must be same, so empty. So whenever I told parallel, either plus that or this, then we are going to do this particular parallel diagram. Case 2. Let us have a concatenation operation for the expression x dot y, which means after x then y. Concatenation x and then y. What about only expression? Why not for language? Even language also. So we do have L of x and then L of y. So like how we learnt in the previous video, first x then y. Now it is language of that expression and language of another expression. Even star operation also holds good in the same. What do you mean by star operation? There will be a self loop. That self loop indicates infinite number of times, which includes empty also. Even language of that x star is also satisfied. Now what this expression indicates? Just from here, a input goes, no input, there is a language, no input goes to final state. Now what we understood? A language one time. A language one time. But sir, I need infinite times, that is star. Then I have to go for a self loop. One more time, one more time, one more time. I have to go for a self loop. Okay. So what this arrow indicates? Infinite number of times it is going to repeat. Why this backward loop? Due to star operation. Okay, remember, without this particular operation, directly it will go. With this operation, it start taking the loop. So one time, two time, 3, 4. But sir, if you say star, it should have empty also, you know. Yes, obviously. But there is no empty path here. I couldn't see any empty path. It is starting from here. Definitely it will go to one time at least. Where is empty path? No problem. Since you need empty path, I bring one more. So due to no input state, that is called the empty. Okay, so hereafter try to learn whenever a whole expression is having a star, recall the wordings: one backward path, one forward path. Repeating, one backward path, one forward path. Backward path for star operation infinite time, forward path for empty string. Okay, remember this idea. Case 1 indicates union for the language. Case 2 indicates concatenation for the language. Case 3 indicates star for the language. Let us have a simple problem. Okay, there is a language here with expressions A or B any number of times, A after A concatenation, A or B union any number of times. There is a union operation, there is a concatenation operation, there is a concatenation operation, there is a star operation. Okay, we are having this. Now let us split this particular problem into 3 groups. A plus B star one group, A another group, A plus B star another group. Now I will do 3 into 3 steps. Step 1, A plus B whole star. Now let us first bring A plus B. Okay, A or B. This 3, 4, 5, 6 the state diagram. My advice, always draw empty diagram, then you fill 1, 2, 3 so that you will come to know. Sir, this is parallel, either A or B. You should have a common input, you should have a common output, so initial as well as final. So what this indicates? A plus B, which means A or B. Sir, wait sir, I need a star. Whenever I told star, what is that point I told some 2 minutes back? One backward path, one forward path. Repeating, backward path for star operation, one forward path. But how to draw? You cannot draw the same. You include one more state diagram and then you do forward path. Okay, this is always better. Okay, so one backward and then one forward. You see the diagram looks very big. Let me start again. A or B, parallel path, common input, common output with epsilon. I need a star, so one backward path. I need empty string, one forward path with one more state. Okay, one forward path. Done. Now what this indicates? A plus B. My advice, you draw empty circles, then you start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Or Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, whatever may be, as per your wish. Ready? Sir, A plus B star is over. Next, step 2. What is AA? AA means one after other. That is empty string, A, initial state, A, and one more A. This is called one after other. Concatenation, A, after that one more A. Ready? Now what is step 3? The same A plus B star which we already discussed. I am just recalling the same diagram. So totally we learnt 3 diagram. This diagram step 1, this diagram step 2, this diagram step 3. Then what you should do? This diagram, concatenation, this diagram, concatenation, this diagram. What do you mean by concatenation? One after other. Now I will just show A plus B star. Diagram is ready. AA, diagram is ready. A plus B star, diagram is ready. Okay, I made it 1, 2, 3, 4 as per my wish. You can draw empty, then you can do. Okay, remember, this is A plus B star, this is AA, this is A plus B star. But what is in between? Dot, concatenation. So let us join empty with epsilon. What is here also? Dot. Let me join empty, concatenation. That is what I am doing. Join here empty, join here empty. That's all. This is A plus B star. This is AA, this is A plus B star. Let us have one more problem. Obtain a finite automata for the regular expression A star plus B star plus C star. I am having a star operation and I am having union operation. I am going to do in 3 steps. A star first step, B star second step, C star third step, and then union. Okay. So what is that A star? Okay. So let us have direct path A, ready. Direct path A, ready. But I need star. What I told, come on, I hope you told now. Good. One backward path, one forward path. Okay, one backward path, create one more states, initial and final. then one forward path. Okay, now who is he? A star. A reverse star empty path. Okay, this is nothing but A star. How to do B star? Ditto copy paste instead of A, B. Ready? How to do C star? Ditto copy paste instead of B, C. Ready? Now who is he? A, B star, C star. A star, B star, C star. What is in between? Is it dot? No sir, it is plus. If it is dot, concatenation. Concatenation means what you should do? Start from here, join. Start from here, join. But sorry sir, this is union plus. What do you mean by plus? Or. What do you mean by or? Parallel. How to do parallel? Available, all three. All should have common input and all should have common output. Okay, that is what the meaning. This is parallel. Either A star or B star or C star. Starting from here, 1 and anything you can go like this. Now you can just draw empty circle and then you can give 1 to 3 as per your wish. Okay, so I just explained how to do regular expression and its language using union, concatenation as well as star. And I also explained, if I give you a language with expression, how to draw NFA, especially epsilon NFA. With this, I would like to conclude this particular video. Thank you.